Yes. So I actively get help from angels. And this time of year, there has been year after year after year a lot of fires in our area. And so at the beginning of the summer this year, I asked, I said, I'd like to hire a team of angel firefighters that can help prevent fires more regularly and can also clean up if there's one, distinguish the fires quickly, clear the particulates. So I make a request. I've made that request throughout the summer. And it was like 2 weeks ago, there was a fire plume just probably not even 20 miles out from our house, and I could see it. And so I immediately called on my angel firefighters, and I said, "Please extinguish that fire, clean up the particulate." And with God, a couple hours, maybe you could tell everything was diffusing, everything was going away, and by the end of that day, the air was clear. There was no particulate, and so I know that they were on the job helping do this, and so that's the other thing. We can ask for helpers, teams to come in and do
Mhm.
do bigger issues. They don't have to be just with something that we have in our bodies or whatever. It's much more widespread. We can help in bigger areas by calling on angels to help in those areas.